Hello, my name is Ahad Ober, and this is my presentation on big data in Korea. Let's first look at what is big data. Big data refers to large, complex data sets that are collected, processed, and analyzed to extract meaningful insights. It includes structured and unstructured data from various sources such as social media, sensors, transactions, and government databases. Advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are used to interpret this data for decision making. Who's using data? Who's using big data? South Korea is a global leader in technology and data driven innovation. Various entities across multiple sectors actively utilize big data to drive progress. One such entity is government agencies. The Korean Ministry of Science and ICT, Statistics Korea, and the local governments use big data to improve governance, public safety, and economic planning. They collect and analyze data related to population trends, urban development, and environmental issues to implement better policies. An example of this is the Seoul Metropolitan Government that uses big data to manage traffic congestion, monitor air pollution, and optimize energy consumption in smart buildings. Another area where big data is used in Korea is the private sector and technology companies. Uh, Leading South Korean companies such as Samsung, LG, Naver, and Keiko integrate big data into their operations. They use it for customer behavior analysis, product recommendations, and predictive maintenance in manufacturing. An example of this is Navier AI Labs processes massive data sets to improve search engine algorithms and personalized content delivery. Another area where big data is being used is healthcare institutions and research centers. Hospitals and medical research institutes use big data for disease prediction, personalized treatment plans, and pandemic response strategies. An example of this is during the COVID-19 pandemic, the Korean Disease Control and Prevention Agency used big data analytics to track virus spread, manage patient information, and predict infection trends. Another area where big data can be used is universities and think tanks. Academic institutions conduct research using big data in fields like climate science, renewable energy, and urban planning. Universities collaborate with industries and governments to develop AI models that enhance sustainable efforts. The Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology analyzes energy consumption patterns to optimize smart grids and improve energy efficiency. By harnessing big data, these entities contribute significantly to South Korea's pursuit of sustainable and data-driven growth. Why are they using big data? The primary the primary reasons for using big data in South Korea revolve around economic development, environmental sustainability, public health, and technological advancement. Looking at enhan- Looking at enhancing decision making, real-time data allows governments and businesses to make informed decisions trends prediction based on trends, predictions, and evidence-based analysis. This minimizes risk and improves efficiency in multiple sectors. An example of this is big data helps urban planners in Seoul manage traffic by managing GPS data, reducing congestion, and optimizing public transportation. Another reason for using big data is strengthening public health systems. Big data has transformed healthcare by enabling early disease detection, AI-driven diagnostics, and efficient hospital resource allocation. An example of this is in South Korea's healthcare system uses AI and big data to predict flu outbreaks by analyzing social media trends, hospital admissions, and environmental factors. Another reason why they're using big data is to address environmental challenges. With growth concerns about climate change, big data helps track carbon emissions, air pollution levels, and climate patterns to implement sustainable solutions. An example of this is Jeju Island Smart Energy Project utilizes big data to monitor and optimize solar and wind energy usage, contributing to South Korea's carbon neutrality goal. Another area where they could use where another reason why they'll be using big data is to boost economic growth. Companies use customer data, financial transactions, and supply chain analytics to improve efficiency, personalize services, and develop new market strategies. E-commerce platforms like Coupang analyze customer behavior to enhance product recommendation and logistic efficiency. These applications demonstrate how big data is reshaping South Korea's digital economy and sustainable initiatives. Where are they using big data? Big data applications are widely implemented across South Korea, particularly in smart cities, energy management, and public health and logistics. Looking at smart cities, major urban centers leverage big data for traffic management, public safety, and energy efficiency. The Seoul Transport Operation and Information Services collects the collects real-time traffic data to optimize bus routes and reduce travel time. Looking at renewable energy and sustainability, big data supports smart energy grids, carbon tracking, and environmental protection. The Jeju tr- Smart Grid Smart Grid Testbed uses AI and big data to analyze energy demand and enhance the use of renewable resources. Another area where they're using big data is in healthcare innovation. Medical research centers and hospital in, medical research centers and hospitals integrate big data to enhance disease prediction, treatment, and drug discovery. The Korean National Health Insurance Service analyzes medical records to detect trends in chronic diseases and recommend preventive measures. These locations highlight how South Korea integrates big data into various aspects of governance, industry, and society. When are they using big data? Big data adoption in South Korea has accelerated over the last decade, with key milestones including when in 2010 introduction of big data in finance, e-commerce, and smart city planning was introduced, and from 2015 to the present, where widespread use of AI-driven analytics in healthcare, manufacturing, and environmental monitoring can be seen. Also, from 2020 to present, big data played a crucial role in COVID-19 management, supply chain reliance, and smart energy systems. The continuous advancement in AI, 5G, and AOT suggests that big data will remain a fundamental part of South Korea's digital transformation. How can big data help solve SDG issues? One area where it could help solve an SDG issue is through SDG 3, which deals with good health and well being. AI powered diagnostics and predictive analytics improve public health management. An example of this is the COVID-19 big data tracking system prevented widespread outbreaks. Another SDG issue could solve is SDG 7, which deals with affordable and clean energy. Smart grid optimized solar and wind energy distribution. The Jeju big data powered renewable energy projects are serve as an example for this. Another SDG issue that it deals with is SDG 11, which deals with sustainable cities and communities. Smart traffic systems and waste management improve urban living. An example of this is Seoul's AI-driven traffic control system. Uh, and last, and last SDG issue that it could help solve is SDG 13, which deals with climate action. AI models predict climate patterns and optimize carbon reduction efforts. Korea's National Institute of Meteorological Sciences uses big data to track air pollution. By integrating big data into the national policies and industries, South Korea is pioneering initiatives initiative solutions for a more sustainable and prosperous future. South Korea's strategic use of big data across government, healthcare, energy, and urban planning aligns with the global SDG goals. By continually investing in data-driven policies, the nation is well positioned to achieve a more sustainable, efficient, and innovative future. Looking at the two truths and a lie that I came up with, South Korea used big data and AI powered tracing to successfully manage the COVID-19 pandemic, reducing infection rates significantly. Jeju Island has implemented a big data driven smart grid system that optimizes renewable energy usage from solar and wind power. South Korea has banned the use of big data in financial institutions due to privacy concerns. Which one do you think is the lie? Thank you for listening, and this concludes my presentation.